Hi everyone, we're going to make the black, silver, and gold earrings today, and we're using the thicker ear wires. So let's get started. And these are little bead caps that look like leaves. So we'll put a bead cap on. I think it's either 10, I think it's a 10 millimeter. I think the bead cap's probably a 6 or an 8, probably a 6. These, I'd say, are 8s. And they might be, yeah, I think they're 8. And not that. Yeah, that. Put one of them on. That's a spacer. It's about a 4. And then a black bead. We'll do that again. Black bead, bead cap, silver bead, spacer, and another black bead. Now, we're going to leave about a 1/2 inch up here. We're going to cut the rest off and hold it so it don't shoot across the room. I made that mistake. About a 1/2 inch. I think that's about the same. Oh, look. Oh, one's a little bit shorter. Well, but they're about the same. Alright, now take your round nose, roll back like that, and roll over. Oh, what kind of bird that is. I hear a bird out there. Sounds like he's barking. There. All around. Twist it open. On. Twist it back. Make sure they're against each other. Push down and twist. Right there. And then twist it open. Ah, it broke. Did you see that? Huh. Must have been bad metal or something. Twist it open. Can't believe that broke like that. They were brand new. I mean, it wasn't like I was reusing anything. It was it just broke. And there we go. Those are pretty. You have a little slinky black dress on and wear those. Those would be pretty. Okay. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you on the next one. Like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And until next time, y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.